Good morning. So what you're looking at here is a concrete pad. So at the end of day one, we've got the front structure up and the framing, and then of course the back. So 2 doors up front, 1 door in the back. You know, they got the tools, but they're gonna come back and finish it tomorrow. So pretty exciting. It looks kind of small on camera, but it's kind of impressive, like how big it is. So this is the back side. Obviously, it looks a lot larger in person than it kind of does on camera, but it still does kind of look big on camera. It's exciting to sort of see this and know that, you know, I'm gonna have a space to work in. So this is it, ta-da! It's done. I should have actually filmed a little sooner. You can tell we've been kind of moving stuff in here to the space. So let's take a look around, shall we? So from the outside of the shop, we're gonna walk in here. We've got 2 doors, 2 bay doors, 2 roll-up doors. We've got a roll-up door on the back, window on the side, door on the side. The full space is 22 by 30. I believe it's 17-foot high ceilings. Morning. Today, hopefully we're putting a lift right about here. So we'll see if it happens. And then you gotta come down to the locks, right? Here it is. Ta-da! So we did it, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, I am Mark, this is HSG, and you can see we've got a shop. I have to give a huge thanks to Logan from C Kingpin Engineering. Go check him out because he was a huge help as far as planning, do electrical work, helped me with the lift, helped me with the whole sizing and the building and everything, and helped me every step of the way. And I don't think without him, I could have done any of it at all, but also a big special thanks to Seth, Kim, and Alan for really helping bring all this together. So big shout to all of them. And if you're looking for, say, a rear disc conversion for a Honda Fit, see Kingpin has you covered. So, and he's got a lot of other stuff at his website, so go check him out. And so now I'm super excited because we have this workspace, you know, so much room for activities. I can work on my project cars. Yes, I still have my RSX and Element, they're outside. And as you can see, I have a 1st gen white Honda Fit Sport that I've got some videos coming up on very soon. I've got an entire new build for the Tail of the Dragon this year, which I'm super excited. I've got the transmission over there. The engine will be here next weekend. I've got a K24 over there. I've got suspension to do. I've got so many things that have been piling up for months, and I'm just ready to kind of get at it, as well as not only upload car content, but commentary content. Because at this point, I'm just trying to have fun with it, just completely reinvent the whole thing, even give the shop its own name, own website, and own personality. Doesn't mean I'm gonna be changing the name of the channel. I'll always be Mark from HSG. Click like if you like this video. Hopefully you'll stick around because I do have a terrible track record of being a YouTuber and uploading. So I'm not gonna go on and on forever about what we're gonna do in the future. We're just gonna get to it because I've already got videos recorded and ready to go. I wanted some time to pass, get a little comfortable in the shop, make sure I got everything where I want it, and you could probably see some things have already moved around. Let's just get to it. I'm gonna see you in the next video very soon. And if you will, go to the comments section and tell me what I should do with my 08 K24A2 swap. My original plan was to put it in my 03 Honda Element, which I could still do. I could put it in my RSX. I could even put it in this white Honda Fit Sport that I've got back here, which I'm very excited about. I got some bunch of project stuff with this coming up. So yeah, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Gonna get right to it. Thank you so much. Peace. All right, fast forward. Oh, watch out now. She wild. Okay, check 1, 2. Is this working? Does this camera work here? Maybe we